You think $100 is nothing? Wrong. That $100 can make or break you if you know what to do with it. Most people stare at a $100 bill and think, this can't change my life. That thinking keeps you broke. Because here's the truth. If you can't flip $100, you'll never flip $10,000. This is the test that separates hustlers from spectators. Stay with the debt destroyer, because I'm about to give you 6 fast, real ways to turn $100 into $1,000. Step 1. Flip quick skills. Who just sits on talent without using it? Exactly. Take that $100 and buy your starter tools. Clippers for cutting hair, supplies for braiding, flyers for repairs. One client pays your $100 back. After that, it's pure profit. One seed. One tree. Infinite fruit. That's the power of flipping skills. Step 2. Buy low, sell high. This is the fastest flip. Thrift stores, clearance racks, or online deals buy low, resell at market value. I know someone who grabbed sneakers for $40 and flipped them for $200 in 2 days. On paper, it's just hustling. In reality, it's multiplying every single dollar. Step 3. Service hustles. Here's the scam no one tells you. Jobs don't own side hustles. With $100 for gas or supplies, you can wash cars, babysit, deliver food, or run groceries. You earn cash today. And when you stack clients, it scales into real income. Step 4. Digital skills. That $100 can buy a domain, Canva Pro, or ads. Use it to sell websites, social media help, or graphic design. Businesses pay fast, because you're saving them time. That's how you turn $100 into a money printer. Step 5. Micro investing. Don't sleep on investing. Use apps to trade crypto, forex, or stocks. No, $100 won't magically become $1,000 overnight. But with smart flips and compounding, it grows faster than just saving. Play smart, not desperate. Step 6. Stack and reinvest. Here's the real cheat. Don't flex your early wins. Stack them. Reinvest them. $100, $300, $600, $1,000. On paper, it looks boring. In reality, it's how people break cycles and escape the trap. So no, $100 isn't small. It's just waiting for you to flip it. And this was just level 1. Next, I'll show you the cheat code the rich use. How the IRS literally pays them to stay rich. Hit subscribe, or you'll miss the blueprint.